Earlier we have added the stack layout and these two box view controls. Now let's set the background color of this stack layout. And here you'll see that currently our stack layout will occupy the whole space of our mobile device. If we want to place this stack layout in the middle of the screen vertically, then set vertical option equals center, and our stack layout will be in the center of the device. Similarly, we can also add the stack layout in the middle of the screen horizontally. So we'll add horizontal option equals center, and here we go. Alright. Just like that, we can set the vertical and horizontal options to start, end, and fill. If we set start, then the stack layout will be in the start of the screen. If we set end, then the stack layout will be at the bottom of the screen. And if we will set fill, then our stack layout will occupy the whole screen. Okay, now let's remove the vertical and horizontal options and let's try to explore the concept of padding and margin. If you have worked with the HTML and CSS, then you are very familiar with the concepts. But if not, then don't worry. Let me explain you the padding and margin concept. Well, margin is a space around the element border, and padding is a space between the element border. Let's do it via code. So inside the stack layout, let's set the margin equals 20, and this will give a margin of 20 units to our stack layout from all the sides of the mobile device screen. If we want to give different margins from all the sides, then let's follow this pattern. First, we'll add a margin for left hand side. Then we'll add a margin for top. Right after that, we'll add a margin for the right hand side. And finally, the margin for the bottom of the stack layout. Okay, I hope you got an idea of margins. Now let's understand the padding. Let me add the margin of 20 units from all the sides. Okay, now let's add a padding of 20 units. And here, you'll see the box view controls change the position. So we can say that the margin is the space around the stack layout, and the padding is the space between the stack layout. If you want to set different padding from different sides, then just use the same approach which we have used in the margin. Padding left, padding top, padding right, and padding bottom. Okay, we have covered the stack layout. Now I'll see you in the next lesson.